probably more nervous than I have been for any sort of circuit racing. So this is the first time I've driven a car with this much power. So we'll put on low boost and see how we go. And I think it makes it 650 something at the wheels on low boost. So it's on 16 pound. So that's hopefully everything goes to plan, and we can go back out. And it's pretty packed tonight though. So hope we get a few runs in. I was not even watching the freaking shift lights, eh? Just everything else takes over and you forget what you're doing.
Yeah. So what are we doing now, Mark?
Well, just slightly more boost, and then the traction control apparently was kicking in the whole track. So back the traction control up a little bit. So hopefully I can still keep it pointing forwards. Because even on that run I could feel it starting to, like, especially high end, high speed, it starts to get a little bit squirrely. I might have even backed off towards the end because it felt a bit sketchy, started getting really light, and now the throttle's playing up again.
That was the best run of the night. He hasn't run any.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Oh, dude, this is a circuit car.
I just got to warn you.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the nice one.
Alright, so Dave, what do you reckon about our last runs there, and what do you reckon about the data we've collected for the night?
Yeah, no, it was a good night. Everything went well. The driver needs a bit more learning to do, but no, we had traction control very close to the slip, so it was on pretty much 3/4 of the track.
Yeah.
And no, so yeah, basically play with the traction on it, and yeah, like it's what 10-2 at 100 over 140 mile an hour with first test.
Nothing broke.
Nothing broke.
The diff stayed together.
Yes.
But alright, so what from here? What would you do? Just like,
in all, it's just dial suspension. There's more in the suspension. There's more in the traction setup of it. There's get the launch control working.
Yeah,
So
but that was all done without launch control too.
Yeah,
so we weren't making any boost until we literally started rolling.
Yeah. So it was, which, well, 1.660 foot.
Still not bad.
It's not too bad.
Well, thanks very much, mate. I'll let you go home.
Cool.
Cheers. Yeah, I reckon we'll probably be able to get a 9 if we want to, but this car isn't built for that. It's more just for, I don't even know what we built it for anymore. Dave, what's it for? It does start to feel sketchy at the top end. It gets real light in the front, so I think it's because this body kit's all for show. It does absolutely nothing for anybody. But anyway, that's it. All right, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna let Dave disappear.
And we got kicked out.
Oh yeah, and we got kicked out because we ran too high mile per hour. So if we want to come back, we have to put a parachute on the car, which we're not doing. I don't want to put a parachute on. We'll just put a dummy one on. The brakes are way big enough. That'll be fine. We don't need a parachute. But anyway, that's it for us for tonight. And thanks very much for watching. See you.